Oh, hello. My name is Kyle Hernandez, a relationship expert, and here are some words you should never use when referring to a woman you don't know.
Smalley, darky, shorty. Basically, any word that ends with the sound A. Best thing, bad thing, red thing. Any phrase that ends with the word thing. Babes, baby, lil mama. Any phrase that implies that she is an infant.
Here are some words you can use.
Her name?
Warning: if you do not know her name, you are allowed to ask politely. If she declines to answer, apologize for the intrusion gracefully and walk away.